Korima was established in 2011, and it is a reliable and dynamic manufacturer who's dedicated to manufacture and develop coffee brewing equipment for house use and commercial use. We have more than 250 peoples, and most of our talent staffs, from management to productions, are with experience in coffee machine industry. We believe we are not only making machines, but also offering a unique coffee drinking experience. The factory is located in Shunda area, the global hometown of electric appliance. It closes to Shunda Port, also nearby Guangzhou and Shenzhen Port. It is very convenient on transportation. Our products are included espresso coffee machine, commercial coffee machine, milk frother, tea maker, and coffee grinder. And our products are sold to more than 30 countries. Positioning to be the best supportive and partners. We are committed to build customer brand excellently through investing on ODM OEM projects. We have a complete product development process. You will be satisfied with quick decision, flexibility, and efficiency here in Korima. Korima take the quality tenets as quality come first, and quality is essential for enterprise survival. Since establishment, Korima got the GS, CE, and ETL certificate. We have passed BSCI and ISO 9001 to meet the market requirement. Our vision is to make a good coffee and embody the value of life and product. Warmly welcome to cooperate with Korima.